When harnessing in a newborn, we want to make sure we pull up on the harness strap so that it's nice and snug around their hips or their thighs. Then we're going to tighten down the harness by pulling on the adjustment strap and tightening until the harness is nice and snug on the baby and we can't pinch any harness material near the collarbone. Last step is to move the chest clip all the way up to armpit level, nice and high on the baby's chest. If the baby needs additional support and you choose not to use the optional newborn insert, you can take a rolled receiving blanket and place it alongside the baby for additional support.